All right, let's set the scene. You've planned your lesson for the day, but by the time class starts, you're already thinking about 5 different students that need 5 different versions of that same lesson. Maybe it's extra supports for one group of students, maybe more challenge for another, a few accommodations, a different way to explain the same concept. I'm gonna show you what it looks like to differentiate in MagicSchool to ensure every learner's needs are met. We're gonna start with that one lesson plan. We're gonna take this lesson plan and make sure it works for more students. First, we need a reading passage that's going to meet the needs of my students who are reading at a lower level. Next, I need fill-in-the-blank notes for my students who need a little more structure. And I want a checklist that breaks this assignment down into fewer steps. So now I have the same lesson and resources, but with more ways for more students to access it. Now, in some situations, I may need a lesson to be even more personalized. I could take my students' IEP or their individual learning goals and attach it to whichever tool I need to use. MagicSchool will then adapt whatever resource you're creating to that individual student's needs, helping you create those individualized supports in less time. Now, if you find yourself creating those same supports throughout the year over and over again, you can create a custom tool to do that instead. You can even create a custom tool for one particular student if needed. So say I want to create Andrew's lesson plan tool that's designed just for Andrew based on his individual needs. I can go back to that tool over and over again and ensure that those lessons are already ready for him. And one of the simpler ways to differentiate in MagicSchool is to simply use Raina. I can go to Raina and pull that lesson plan from my resources and just simply ask Raina, please create a small group lesson for my teacher table. Or now create an extension project for students who are ready for more. With Raina, it's very simple. You just describe what you need because Raina is designed by educators for educators. She knows you. So just to recap, from one lesson, you've created an extension project, a small group lesson, a lower reading level passage, a student checklist, fill in the blank notes, and more, all connected to the same learning goal. Every student deserves the support they need to succeed. MagicSchool helps you create it in minutes so you can spend more time with your students.